How to share Google Sheet on WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can share or send Google Sheet on WhatsApp. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First step here is you will need to open up your Google Sheets. So open up your Google Sheet. Now open up the sheet that you want to share. So open up your sheet and you can edit it if you'd like. You can make some changes. And finally, when you're ready to share, tap on the three dots on the top right. Or if you simply want to add some people from your Gmail, you can tap on this plus icon as well and start typing in the emails and stuff. But since you want to share it with WhatsApp, tap on the three dots on the top right. Then you'll see an option that says share and export. Tap on that. And there you'll find copy link option. So you can copy the link from here and then share the link. So open up your WhatsApp, locate your WhatsApp app and then open it up. Then share it by just simply pasting it. Paste the link and share it. That's how you do it. There are other options as well, such as let's head back to share and export here. You can see the print option, you can see save as Excel, you can send a copy as well, you can download a copy, you can see, you can create a PDF and then share it from WhatsApp from right here. There is also another option to make a copy of it and then share. You can also manage the access here, where you can change this restricted option to people with link. There you can see anyone with the link. Now anyone with the link will be able to open this sheet up. And that's how you share and send Google Sheet on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.